The jungle perch broodstock tank should be lowered to prepare for light sedation. Aqueous is approved for sedation of jungle perch in Queensland. Measure the volume of water in the drop tank to calculate the amount of sedative required. For light sedation of jungle perch, add 10 ml of aqueous per 1,000 litres of water. Lightly sedated fish will not lose equilibrium, but will be easy to net for transfer to a tub for heavy sedation. For heavy sedation, a 2-tub system can be used. 1 tub with an aqueous dose of 2 ml in 60 litres, and the second tub with 4 ml of aqueous in 60 litres of water. Fish can be moved from the lower to the higher dose to speed up efficiency of the induction process. Scan heavily sedated fish for a pit tag to identify individual broodstock.
84DB.
Female broodstock can be checked for spawning condition by cannulation. Insert a 2 mm flexible plastic tube into the urogenital opening. This is the most rear opening. Gentle sucking by mouth on the other end of the tube draws oocytes or eggs into the tube. The egg sample can be placed on a microscope slide by blowing down the tube. Eggs suitable for induction are creamy yellow in colour. Spread the sample for examination under a microscope. If you have a micrometer, it is best to measure your egg samples. Jungle perch are serial spawners, so most egg samples will have a range of developmental stages. If more than half the eggs in the sample are 380 microns or larger in diameter, then the female fish is suitable for spawning induction. To check male spawning condition, apply gentle pressure to the upper abdomen, back down towards the urinogenital opening. Males in suitable spawning condition will have a show of a thick straw of milt or occasionally running milt. Suitable male and female broodstock should be weighed to determine the correct hormone dose.
Weight 1.820 for 1820.
Overprim can be injected into the body cavity through the soft tissue to the rear of the pelvic fin. Insert the needle at a shallow angle to the rear to avoid vital organs. Use a dose of 0.75 ml per kilogram of body weight for females and 1 ml per kilogram of body weight for males. For females larger than 2.5 kilograms, a dose of half a ml per kilogram should be used to prevent them from becoming egg-bound. After injection of Overprim, your broodstock are ready for transfer to the spawning tank.